So what's my point of this whole discussion on organic food versus inorganic food? Mainly it's just the awareness of it all. It may sound like that I'm against organic food and I'm all for synthetic food, and I'm saying it's okay to buy produce that's not organic. But I just want you to be aware of some of the myths out there about organic food. If it doesn't taste any better than inorganic food, it's not more nutritious than inorganic food, it's not necessarily healthier than organic food, it still has pesticides and herbicides on that food. Now, synthetic food and organic food, it is very small amounts, and there's no proof that it is harmful to your body. So really, I just want to make you aware, is it worth the extra money of buying organic products when there's so many hidden things about the organic products that people don't know about? Even if we're talking not about produce, but about organic food in general that's prepared, if it's labeled as organic food, it only has to have 70% organic products, and it can have 30% of anything else. It's stupid. I kind of think it's just more of a marketing thing, just to make money. Everything in this world is about making more money, unfortunately, and they kind of lie and get around things. A lot of your produce is actually coming from other countries, and they can't inspect every single apple or every single orange or every single tomato that comes from other countries to see if it is following the certified organic practices correctly. So they only inspect those places a couple times a year, and all they're doing is looking at the paperwork, and it's usually inspectors not from the United States, but it's from other parts of the country, in that country, that are doing the inspection. So it's hard to trust what they're actually doing, in my opinion. So I just wanted you to be aware of all these kind of loose regulations and known facts about organic food and certified organic, and what that actually means and doesn't mean. And so the best thing you can do is start your own garden and grow your own produce, and you'll know exactly what kind of food you're growing and what kind of food you're eating in the end. You can follow along this channel, and I will be showing you everything that I do in the garden, from starting seeds to planting them outside to caring for them outside to how I keep pests off and harvesting and all that stuff. So just follow along, and I'll be happy to show you what I do and answer any questions that you have along the way. Thanks.